Chickpea. If you're new here, I post Animal Crossing related content and so much more. If this video catch your attention, well then stay here for more content like this. Anyways, today I will be talking about how you can get leaves easily. I found some tips from an amazing post by Animal Crossing World. I give full credit for the inspiration and will have the specific post in the description box. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So my first tip is to log in daily. Along with leaf tickets, you can get things like bells and reissue material, so overall it's just worth it, even if you only go on the app for like 5 minutes. My second tip is to complete as many tasks as possible. With daily tasks, you can get about 2 leaves every day, even when you do simple things like going to Breezy Hollow or collecting fruit. My third tip is to give all your villagers and visiting animals special attention. In my daily routine, I play in the morning and I go to every one of the islands and give the visiting animals snacks. That way our friendship levels up and then it adds to my overall level. You get 10 leaves for each level up, I think? Yeah, 10 leaves. Now it's time for the last 2 tips. Use Google Opinion Rewards for some money to actually buy leaves. I think this is pretty straightforward, so let's get on to the next tip, which is connecting your Nintendo account. When you do this, you automatically get 100 leaves, as it is a task. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Make sure to check out my social medias and like and subscribe for more Animal Crossing related content. Have a nice day and stay here for the vibes.